Low-carb cauliflower casserole with cheese and bacon, keto-friendly. Cauliflower is a great low-carb alternative to potatoes, rice, and pasta. It is also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. One of the best ways to enjoy cauliflower is to bake it in a cheesy and creamy casserole with bacon, sour cream, and cheddar cheese. This recipe makes about 8 servings of low-carb cauliflower casserole, each serving being about 1 cup. You will need the following ingredients. 1 large head of cauliflower, cut into bite-sized florets. 8 slices of bacon, cooked and crumbled. 1/4 cup of butter, melted. 1/4 cup of sour cream. 1/4 cup of heavy cream. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Salt and pepper, to taste. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, divided. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish, optional. To make the casserole, follow these steps. 1. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Set aside. 2. In a large pot of boiling water, cook the cauliflower florets for about 10 minutes, or until fork tender. Drain well and pat dry with paper towels. 3. In a small bowl, whisk together the butter, sour cream, heavy cream, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Pour the mixture over the cauliflower and toss to coat. 4. Transfer the cauliflower mixture to the prepared baking dish and spread it in an even layer. Sprinkle 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese and half of the bacon over the top. 5. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 6. Sprinkle the remaining cheese and bacon over the casserole and bake for another 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted. 7. Remove the casserole from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh parsley if desired. This low-carb cauliflower casserole is a delicious and comforting dish that will satisfy your cravings without breaking your diet. It is also a great way to use up any leftover cauliflower you may have in your fridge. You can store the casserole in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or in the freezer for up to 2 months. I hope you like this low-carb cauliflower casserole recipe and that you will try it soon. If you do, please let me know how it turned out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and healthy recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.